guys, welcome to my channel. Is Drishni here? Oh my god, white walls, so not Drishni of me, I know. So as I shifted to Mumbai 3 years back, I'm still modeling, acting, continue my degree next year. But apart from that, today I'll give you tips and advice on how you can get your way into this industry. Today I'll specifically talk about only modeling. Yeah, I'll give you some tips and we'll also have a little vlog of my first ramp show. So let's talk about the controversy. So basically I uploaded a reel like this.
नहीं, आई विल शो यू गॉड. आप भगवान के पास जाओ, भगवान को पूछो, भगवान प्लीज मुझे ऐसे हवस के पुजारी मत बनाया करो, क्योंकि छूत का चक्कर होता है मौत से तब कर. आप मर जाओगे अगर आप ऐसे रहोगे तो.
Comfortable wearing a bikini, alright, and I have an app where I upload like BTS shoots. A lot of people, I think I mentioned that in my previous, like one of my videos too, where I talk about how people think that I do OnlyFans, people wearing bikini and lingerie. But honestly, I have like BTS content over there in that app, and if this person had the money, he would have known, but he still had to make this video.
भगवान के पास जाओ, भगवान को पूछो, भगवान प्लीज मुझे ऐसे हवस के पुजारी मत बनाया करो, क्योंकि छूत का चक्कर होता है मौत से तब कर. आप मर जाओगे अगर आप ऐसे रहोगे तो.
ये सही है भाई, फ्री में किसी को कुछ नहीं दिखाना, लेकिन बायो में लिंक डाल के ओनली फैंस पे 3000 पर मंथ में सब कुछ दिखाने को तैयार है. तो भाइयों याद रखो, अगर पैसा हो तुम्हारा शस्त्र तो 3000 में खुल जाए वस्त्र.
All this nonsense, I decided I'll call him out, and I made this video.
ये सही है भाई, फ्री में किसी को कुछ नहीं दिखाना, लेकिन बायो में लिंक डाल के ओनली फैंस पे 3000 पर मंथ में सब कुछ दिखाने को तैयार है. तो भाइयों याद रखो, अगर पैसा हो तुम्हारा शस्त्र तो 3000 में खुल जाए वस्त्र.
और अगर आपके पास 3000 रुपए होते हैं मुझे देने के लिए, तो यू वुड हैव आल्सो सीन मेरे सो कॉल्ड ओनली फैंस में क्या है. अभी बिना जानकारी तो होता है शुरू बेरोजगारी.
Whoa, videos back to back. But what I have been recently getting is a lot of DMs by freshers and new models and new actors who are struggling in Mumbai and who want to know how I got here. I'm not a big ass model or a big ass superstar as of yet in this industry, and I am still working my way through it. I'm climbing the stairs. First topic I want to talk about is Polaroids. Now, Polaroids of mine look like this. They can even look like this. Like the hair color of mine changes a lot. You know, you can see. But I'm thinking of like going completely black or like copper brown after a while. But yeah, Polaroids may look like this, may look like this. Maybe very bad, maybe very good. But basically, they are no filter, no makeup photos where you're on your front side, left, sorry, this is my right. Your right profile, your left profile, and when you're giving the poses, you go like in a diagonal direction, so it's like a 45-degree angle, maybe like this, or maybe like this, okay? And very few agencies or like asking people to ask for the back shots, but you can still give a back shot. Not the back shots you think your dirty mind thinks. What is required in your portfolio? All your shoots, your measurements, your name, your basic details, your height, and all of that. Just include that in an entire PDF and send it to people. Now, who are these people you're going to send? That's when we come to contacts. Now in Mumbai, nothing works without contacts. Here, more than talent, contacts work. And I'll be honest, it was easy for me because I had followers, DM people, and they would respond to me. And also because I was in a fashion college for 2 years. I used to get shoots, I used to get my way through all of that, and I used to get those contacts. Now, it might be difficult for you as a fresher who's not a content creator. I would suggest you is to go to classes or workshops that happen here and there where you have to pay just $500 or $1,000. Go and learn something new. Myself have a lot to learn. So yes, you can always learn new things and be friendly, be polite, be professional, and you can get some contacts on your phone. I love Mumbai because of this. Here people actually help and support and make sure people grow together, which is the beauty of Mumbai, honestly. And I'm so sorry for all of that sounds. I need to get a mic. But I'm making this video in a haste because I haven't uploaded for 2 weeks. Now classes and workshops, yes, you should keep attending, be it acting classes. When I'm in my first year in Mumbai, I used to join a lot of theater classes for acting and even modeling workshops. Want to know more, you can obviously DM me and I'll tell you things personally. Keep searching on Google or Instagram about modeling, about acting, and if you make a profile just for your modeling, you would get work. I guarantee you that, and you would get advertisements of workshops and classes because that's how the algorithms decide. Nowadays, AI has made it so much easier. And first, do things on a collab basis. It's okay, maybe you won't get paid a lot, and I did so many work in collaborations, but at least my portfolio was getting built. Get your portfolio built first. Get a good portfolio built where you have all your fashion shoots, beauty, editorial, conceptual, all those shoots, and you are good to go, darling. Now we'll talk about my first round. I generally don't get selected because of my height. I'm 5'4". So I'm usually all about the print, I'm all about the websites, I'm all about the e-commerce stuff. But I walked because I have hair. I was always into colored hair, and yeah, this shoot was this ramp walk. This was for S Beauty and it was held by Pro Beauty India. It was an exhibition stage and they would like cut or style, color your hair, not coloring basically because coloring takes time, but they did all of that and walked the stage and because he's horny. This is the vlog here. Hey people, and I'll walk the ramp for the first time today. Okay, I'm in the green room right now. Even she got her hair colored. And haircut. Oh my god. Oh, I should record this. Yeah. Here are the other models. Hi. I'm not visible. This is my hairstyle, guys, and I've been waiting to walk the ramp since 3 hours. I'm so bored. I just can't. I'm gonna get it done. Yeah, it has been delayed for half an hour.
I honestly love your outfit. You should actually give us a whole fall of it, like where you get a whole picture.
Oh, I could make it easy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, he did this.
So, what's this? How's this? I
This is
hope you're
good.
loving it. Am I right? Listen,
Yeah, okay,
this is
cool.
typical, very nice.
I look like
Walk
Billie
into
Eilish.
show. I'm sure you're loving it. Am I right? And you're going to rock the show. Yeah, you're the showstopper for me. Super excited. Thank you.
Hey, hi. We're waiting for a turn to walk the ramp.
We all are. Speaking a lot in that video because I got kind of shy. And talking about shyness, I would say, don't be shy, girls and boys. Don't be shy. Just don't be shy. Be confident, be you, and people would love you. People will approach you. Just be yourself. Be as much as bubbly as you can in your work life. I know I'm very introverted in real life. Friends know I get like social anxiety. But when it comes to my workplace, be that boss, be that bitch. Not really bitch, like a nice bitch, nice polite bitch. This was it for today's video. My cat is crying. I hope you enjoyed this. Please take care of yourselves. And if you want more information, please do DM me. Don't hesitate. And yes, I do reply to DMs. Not the creepy ones. But yeah, asking me for my private photos. I literally don't have any private photos anywhere. I want to be like as famous as Angelina Jolie someday. So do you really think you'll find my nipples anywhere on the internet apart from a bikini and a lingerie? No. So just be smart, guys, and don't fall.